I have a Frigidaire oven with error code F12.
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Fggs3045kfa.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have already replaced the EIC.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Please note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer. That is not me. Give me a few minutes to pull up information on this model. The F11 error code means equals shorted key. A key has been detected as pressed for a long period, will be considered a shorted key alarm and will terminate all oven activity. The suggested action is, press clear key. If fault returns, replace the keyboard, membrane. If the problem persists, replace the EIC. So let's press the clear keypad, and let me know if the code comes back or not, please.
Tried all that. Clear, unplugged. I have already replaced the EIC. And still get the F12 error.
Okay, then you need to replace the switch membrane. Give me a minute to look up the part info for you. Okay, the membrane comes as part of the control panel. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me.
Is this part hard to replace?
No, not really. Just remove the knobs, open the oven door. The underside of the control panel has several screws. Remove the screws and the grill that is below the control panel and the control front face, and the control panel will open like a car hood. If you replace the EIC, you were right there.
Okay. Thanks. Is this a common issue with Frigidaire? I am afraid to blow another few hundreds on this F12 error code issue and still have a non-working oven. Please make sure that this is an F12 error and not F11 error as stated on one of your replies.
Not just Frigidaire, but any appliance with the electronic control board and press keys, this can happen too, not uncommon with any manufacturer or appliance. The membrane get a lot of wear and tear. Also, when you press the button/keys, press then with the flat of your finger, not your fingertip, less wear on the keypads. And yes, the F11 and F12 or the membrane assembly.
I read online that you can clean the keypad membrane and it may fix the error. Can I do that with this model?
You can try to clean the ribbon connection, but when you replace the EIC, you remove the ribbon, so it should not be a dirty connection. Just unplug the ribbon connection and clean it with a pencil eraser. And then plug it back in and see if you still get the error or not. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me, I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. I'm sure you don't work for free, so please don't expect that I should.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.